Hello and welcome back. Now to continue with our gig service setup, what we are going to do next is to add the file for our routes and also add for the server file and the app.ts file. And we can also use the same file we already created. Okay, so go to your user service. I'll start with the routes. Okay, so I'll copy the contents of the route file. We are using the same arrow functions. Okay, so go to source, paste, or let me copy the file itself, not just the content. So copy the file and then paste right here, and then I'll make changes. This will be gig. Okay, this will be gig. We don't have the routes defined yet, so maybe I can just comment them for now. Okay, so just comment, maybe duplicate this, comment all of this out. Okay, so but for this is going to be just the one base part, and I'll call this base part, and it's going to be /gig. But for now I will just remove this. Okay, comment this as well, or let's do it the same way we did it earlier. So for this, it's going to be console.log health routes. Okay, and then here we are going to have two routes as well. Okay, so they're both, one is going to be for the gig routes, the other is going to be for the search routes. Okay, so I will just change it. Okay, right here. Oh no, let me copy this properly. Oh, why am I not copying this correctly? Okay, now here as well. So this is going to be gig, this is going to be search. Okay, so now we have this route file. Later, once we set everything up, we'll make the changes. Okay, and then the next is the search, because we are going to have the same function, or the server, I beg your pardon, the server file, we're going to have the same content. So let's just copy the file and then paste in your source, and then we can make the necessary changes. Okay, so here it's going to be gig, this is going to be gig. Anywhere you have at users, just change them to gig. It's fine if you have this error. Here I will change this to gig. I think the route, we don't have any. Okay, we don't have any logger. Here I've changed this. For the database, I changed this as well. Okay, so yeah, this is fine for, at least for now. We don't let me comment it out, and then right here for now we don't need all of this. We can take this one out as well. Okay, and I think every other thing will remain the same. Let's take all of this out. We are going to update this later. This is going to be 4004. We are using the same methods. Okay, everything here remains the same. I already explained what we are doing right here. And then we have the routes middleware, start queue, start Elasticsearch. Let's see. Yeah, we have the Elasticsearch function. And then this is going to be gig service. Okay, and then I'll change this to gig server, and then this is going to be gig service. Okay, so you can see everything else remains the same. So I think it makes more sense for us to just copy and paste right here. Okay, and then lastly, we need the app.ts. Okay, I can copy the file. So copy the file name and then paste right here. I will change all of these parts to gig. Okay, and we have our app.ts file. Okay, we're still going to update these parts later as well as updating the server.ts and the route, and also Elasticsearch. So we have the different files that we will need. Also, probably we'll start adding our folders right here. maybe I can just add the folders. Okay, so we are going to need a controllers folder. We're going to need a models. We're going to need Redis. I'm just creating the folders. Okay, we are going to need routes. We are also going to need schemes. Oh no, not here, but outside. Okay, so schemes should be outside, and then we are going to need a services folder. Okay, so these are the different folders we are going to need in this service. And then also I think we need queues as well. Okay, so let's just add the queues. So these are the different folders. In the next video, we are going to work on our Elasticsearch file here. So we add the different methods that will be needed to get, to update, to delete, to create.